Hello, this is Brandy Lynn Hubbard, and today I will be showing you how to add page numbers to your Chicago Manual Style research paper. First, we're going to need to select Insert in our toolbar, and then go over to the right to Page Numbers. Like I said in the last video, the title page does not get numbered. To prevent this from happening, we need to select Format Page Numbers. Now we need to change it from Continuing from Previous Section to Start At. I have to change that from 1 to 0 and select OK. Now we're going to go back to Insert and back to Page Numbers, and we're going to go to Top of Page. Now in Chicago Manual format, your page numbers are going to be on the top right hand corner of your page. So you have to go down and select plain number 3. And if you scroll to the top, you'll see that your title page has the 0 on here. Now we need to get rid of this by selecting header and footer and then selecting different first page. So now, as you can see, the title page has nothing on it, and the first page of your paper starts with number 1. Now to get out of header and footer and continue on your paper, go ahead and select header and footer in the toolbar and then select Close Header and Footer. Now some professors do prefer that you put your last name right before the number. Again, never be afraid to reach out to your professors to get clarification of their preferences.